Jake, catch the duck call. Mark. Stay. Jake, pitch it up. I thought you were past it. You had a better mark than I did. Good boy, Jake.
He's back.
Heel. Jake, heel. Heel. Pitch it up. Pitch it up. Here. Sit. Sit. Pitch it up. Sit. Don't tear it up. Pitch it up. Sit. Jake. Pitch it up. No, go ahead. Sit. Sit. Down. Stay. Stay. Okay, that's all right.
Sorry.
Heel. Yeah, come over here by the bucket. Yes. Heel. No, heel. Sit.
You can move forward to the edge or back, whatever you want to do, but right along there where the bucket is.
Forward or back, or sit on the bucket, or whatever you want to sit. Stay. Mark.